Yesterday was the CPI data. Look at it here, guys. This very data came out yesterday for the year-on-year and the month-on-month. And this data is pointing to the direction where Fed was expecting inflation to drop down to. In Fed FOMC meeting, they were expecting inflation to drop to 2.0%. And inflation has been coming back to the downside in the United States with this very year-on-year 2.5% yesterday. And in this very video, I'll be diving right into the CPI data and what you should be expecting right now on Euro USD for a potential buy opportunity all the way to the upside, and also on usdjpy. All of this in this very video. Don't miss out. Pay attention and watch this video all the way to the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about Forex, day trade and investing strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel right now by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more Forex videos like this. Also check the channel for all the Forex and amazing content. Yesterday, we see the CPI data came out to be the same as forecast. Okay, now it's the same as forecast, and what do you think will be the reaction? Because the previous right here was 2.9% and the forecast was 2.5%, but the actual came out to be 2.5%, which is the same with forecast. Now, if you look at this data, normally CPI data, if the actual is greater than forecast, then it's good for the currency. In this case, it should be good for the US dollar. What that means is the Euro USD chart should be coming back to the downside because it should favor the US dollar. Why? Because the actual is greater than the forecast. And if the actual is less than the forecast, then it should be bad for the currency. That means Euro should be moving all the way to the upside. That means this chart should be moving upward. Okay. But in this very case, we see something similar. The forecast and the actual right here is the same. But if you look at the previous was higher, 2.9%, but the actual is 2.5%. What this means is inflation is coming back down. So there is a reduction in inflation right now, and the decline is coming back to the downside from what we saw previous month. So this is an important data right now we need to consider if we need to trade usdjpy and Euro USD price analysis very well. Now, here come to the chart. This is very important because for me, I am expecting that this market move all the way to the upside. Remember, next week, Wednesday, is the Fed interest rate and the FOMC meeting, which is very important. From here, market begin to move all the way to the upside, creating higher highs and higher lows. I am believing that this market is going to move upward. That is my projection. Okay, market can go against me. That's fine. Okay, but right now, look at this market move all the way upward, create a new high with this impulsive move, come back down, move upward, come back down. I am expecting market to move all the way to the upside. That is my expectation. So pay attention to market moving upward. That is what you should be paying attention to right now if you are a Euro USD trader. And if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, market is already at oversold condition. Look at it here. Market has been in oversold condition for over 5 trading days. Okay, as you can see right here. And then very soon it's going to come out. And once we see that, it's a confirmation that this market is going to begin to move all the way to the upside from here upward. And this is what you need to pay attention to right now. So expect the market to move upward on Euro USD 1-day chart. And what we need to pay attention to strictly to know when that move will begin to happen is a good increase in volume. That means we want to see a good bullish candle to the upside around this very area. That is the very level of support right here. And market move upward. Then from this very area on the stochastic RSI, I want to see a crossover between the orange line, the blue line, and then they should move out of the oversold condition, crossing the 20% line at this very point. This is what you need to pay attention to right now for Euro USD 1-day chart. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, something very important right there as well. that you need to pay attention to in line with the CPI data. If you look at this chart, market is going to come down from here a little bit, very, very gradually into this very area, and then we're going to see that very move. So what I am expecting is this very point of support in this very area, okay? This very point, very importantly, market have capacity of moving down into this very point of important support, and then from here we're going to see market begin to move upward. This is what I am expecting right now. So pay attention to market moving upward and position yourself in line with buy opportunities on the 4-hour chart and 1-day chart, Euro US. This is my expectation right now. And for usdjpy, if you look at this very chart, market has been coming back down and something just happened at this very point. There is a liquidity grab from this very area on the chart. Look at it here. From this very point, if you draw this to this very area, you see that this very spike take out liquidity from this very point, okay, which is very important. So there is a liquidity grab from this very area, okay. So the next thing now is liquidity satisfaction. So if liquidity is taken out of the market, then it's not satisfied. The market will go down again to find another level of liquidity to take out of the market. But if it is satisfied, as you can see here, if market begin to move upward with significant move and other confirmation, which I talk about in my immediate last video about this very area of resistance, and market begin to fulfill other parameters for liquidity satisfaction, then market is going to from here move all the way to the upside and go above this very level of resistance right here, which is what I am expecting right now. So pay attention. Liquidity has been taken off the market, but liquidity need to be satisfied before market will begin to move upward, and that is what you need to pay attention to as well on the usdjpy 1-day chart. Pay attention to market moving upward, so therefore prepare for buy opportunity on this very chart. Market is going to move upward, and looking at the stochastic RSI, market is coming back down gradually into the oversold condition. It has not entered yet, but market is going to come back down and enter, or we're going to see a crossover within this very area of 20% line. A crossover between the orange line and the blue line will mean that this very movement down will have ended and market is going to begin to move upward. So prepare for that very buy opportunity on usdjpy. Remember, JPY have been strong over 3 to 4 weeks now, and it's the right time for the market to go back to the upside, which is very, very important for retracement before continuation. So pay attention to that right now, guys. This is an important update at the moment. And if you look at the 4-hour chart as well, something very important right here is market is pointing upward on the stochastic RSI, but I am expecting a little decline. Despite the fact that stochastic RSI is pointing upward, I'm expecting a little decline in the market from this very point downward a little bit, not creating a new low or a possibility the market will begin to move upward. And if you look at this, look at the way market was coming back to the downside. This very impulsive move is significant. Retracement, significant impulse. Little impulse right here and little impulsive move. It means that the market is losing momentum from the bears to the downside, which means the bulls are going to take control of the market very soon all the way to the upside. And that is what we need to prepare for. Prepare for a buy opportunity very, very soon on usdjpy, and I'll be updating you right on this very channel so that you don't miss out on anything in your trading position and trading tricks. Inflation is going right down in the United States with the CPI data yesterday turned out to be 2.5%. Put this in your trading strategy right now. Put this with inflation turned out to be 2.5%. Amazing. Expect Fed to likely cut interest rates next week. Please, if you are new to this channel and you like content like this, support this channel right now by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more Forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for all the Forex content. And if you have not registered with any broker, I have a recommended broker for you right in the description of this very video. Check it out and do that registration right now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.